So, I just want to give some glimpse. I'm a leader in what context? Because when you read the Bible, no, unless you understand the context, you cannot actually understand the scripture. The context always play a powerful role. Unless I know the history, I cannot make history. This my founder, Dr. A.B. Sundaraj, said just few months back to us in the strategic development planning meeting. Unless you know the history, you cannot make history. How many really want to make history? We all want to do something, achieve something, and get some rewards. I thought Jayasilan Anand will be here, a Guinness record holder, but unfortunately he is not here today. But lot of achievements and records we want to make. As I was coming for this meeting, I also made one record, You want to know? We all are afraid of police, right? You know what happened? Actually, Anand said you should be here by 5:30. So, my car was in 80, 100, 80, 100, 80, 100. It was fighting in between. So, I was coming in that fast. And we also like to take some shortcuts, right, to reach fast. So, I took a shortcut. Yeah, auto fellow came in opposite. And then, just after that, 3 police van, and I think SP, then sub-collector, there is a line. I made a point I should be here by on time, because management, no? Time management. So, I was coming, the moment I saw the police sticker, and I looked at, there is a queue. You think, if I give the way for that queue, I will lose my 10 minutes. I don't want to lose my 10 minutes. I want to make a record and to be here on time. You know what I did? I put my headlight and gave horn and just opened my window and said, please give way. And my wife is a doctor, so doctor symbol is there on car. So they thought some emergency. And I pushed back the police van. There is a sub-collector. They all took reverse and gave way to me. Because on 31st, this year started with very blessing, because I attended, I was here in the same room and entered this new year. And there is another blessing that I was become an assistant director yesterday. So got the order today. So what I'm trying to say is, we all are looking for some recognition, something to go up, right? And if we see something that is coming against us, we forget who we are. Only one thing I made up in mind. I am going to minister to the ministers of, not government. Who is great to me? Who is great to me? You are those vehicles that had stickers. I said, Lord, I'm going for you. I should be on time. No, like he did with Moses, when he said, just lift. is the God who is same yesterday, today, forever. When He can use Moses, He can also use Joshua. And He can use maybe the little one like me, the elders like you. So, who we are in Christ is very, very important. And I learnt one more beautiful things from this stage. That is, all this time I was thinking, inner man, no? Who discourage, encourage. I was thinking is somebody else. But from this stage I learned that, and I used to go everywhere. Where is Jesus? Where is Jesus? Where is Jesus? I studied theology and all, okay? I'm a BD graduate from so-called Serampur University. But many times, maybe the Bible colleges that did not teach me that Jesus is in you. Right? What a simple lesson. In the New Testament, if you see, one guy wrote most of the letters. Who is that? What was his qualification? Gamaliel? Feet. Gamaliel who? One of the doctor of the law. If we calculate his educational qualification for today's context, maybe he might have had 8 PhDs. That is his qualification. Sometimes we think my qualification defines me as a leader. First, understand who you are. Qualification doesn't matter. The great Gamaliel who taught Paul, who gave 8 PhDs to Paul, did not teach him who is? Who is? Who is? He taught all the Jewish customs. He taught all the Jewish rituals, sacraments, everything except one, the King of Jews, the Messiah. Today, there are many churches, there are many leaders, have qualification, have everything, but somewhere they lost Christ. And they revolve and revolve and revolve. But in this community, this year is something going to be very blessing to all of you. And you are going to be something remarkable in this year. And you have something great to do. But don't miss the instructions. Instructions are very important. That comes from above. So, when it comes from the above, one thing that we need to really understand. The instruction comes how? How does it come? The revelation, vision. Bhaiya, I know all vision. I know I'm right. Yes, we all know vision. I'm not here to teach you what is vision. Absolutely not. I'm not for that. But I want to just show you something that will help you actually practically. Now, theoretically we have studied enough. What is vision? What is mission? Maybe a separate seminar can be handled, but I just given 1 hour, so I have to finish it. So, The vision and mission. Through that, God talks and does things. This is just a reference point. Maybe we can. God, in Habakkuk, he says, write down the vision. Many times we see stars everywhere. When we want to write down, we always have a problem. But God clearly instructed us to write down things and make it plain on tablet, so he may run who reads it. So you all know Bible, so I'm going to the next slide. A true visionary, a leader is a true visionary. If you are a true visionary, you should conceive vision. Giving birth to a child, conceive, right? Only ladies can understand. Conceive something that you create within you. You give your strength, you give your blood, you give everything and conceive it. You create it. And it comes from outside. It is not within you. Am I saying right, sister? It is not within you. You may have something, but something comes from external. And you work on that. Work on that. And that is the first step of the vision. The second step is pursue. Once you conceive, you need to go to the next level. That comes to a certain form. We all have a vision to start something, right? You all had a vision to start a church and to become a pastor. If that is just a vision, how it would be? You will be just closing your eyes and thinking, yes, I'm a pastor. I'm preaching now. I'm giving communion now. You will be just thinking. But actually you will not. So something that happens within you that came from external instructions and takes a form. Takes a structure. One legal thing let me touch here. How many of you registered your churches? Registered your churches. Registered your church. Maybe one church, many church, branch church, out church, in church, anything. Pardon? Pardon? Yes. What you are saying, brother? Yeah. I understood his question. What is your question, brother? You are answering. What is that answer? Through only trust, the church can be registered. Society, yeah. We have a very knowledgeable people. Because I was nervous because I know this community, this group is a knowledgeable group. What they say is right. You can never, ever register church. First, let's learn that. I can always govern the church through an entity. In India, 3 models: trust, society, company. Company, how? Company only for CSI Madras Dice is registered as a company. We can do through company also religious activities. Yeah. Those days they were clever. But today registering a company and doing, it's a toughest job. You are made left and right. We all thought trust is very easy all these years because society also have a lot of accountability with the government, and we thought trust is the best option. How many of you have FCRA? If you have a FCRA, you should register under the latest update. You should register under Tarpan. Tarpan. If you have FCRA, either a trust or society company, if you have, you need to register under this. Pardon? Darpan is a mirror. Yeah, its meaning is mirror. Darpan. Sorry, my pronunciation, Hindi, I'm a Tamilian, typical Tamilian. Darpan. Okay. Once you go there, it is online. You have to give everything. A complete detail of your self and your organization, who is there, what is everything. So, the trust also getting tightened now. You are called to be leaders in this context. I am repeating again and again this because you have a bigger responsibilities. So, the structure of a church, the church can be functional in India through any one of this entity. So, that is the next level. The vision, getting a mission and getting a structure. Pardon? Society, trust, company, which is best? If you ask me, everything has pros and cons. It is no more, we can say this is safe, this is not safe. Everywhere we are scanned. For easy operation, if you ask me, trust is better. For easy operation. Not one man, at least two. Minimum two. Okay? So, the vision of the third stage is furthering. Furthering. You cannot do anything with just a structure. It has to do something further. It has to be actually active. Active. More on active. Many people register a trust, keep it, nicely keep it on the books. No, what I'm saying? They don't do anything. But they act like doing everything. And get something at the back. I do this, brother, So, that's a different level. But I'm telling something, the third stage, something should be doing. Once it gets into structure, a child, it has to move. It cannot be sitting idle in one place. Then will you keep it? Immediately you will find when. And the name itself will be changed. Will you call child? body eppo. No, such a lovable own baby will be called something else. So if you and I going to be idle, brother, all these years, but now we cannot. You know one thing, we had so many registrations in FCRA 3 years back. 12,000 FCRAs was cancelled on violation they put as a status, but which was not active. The main reason was not active. And they had a lifetime privilege. They made it short. Every 5 years, you must renew it. So they will know how you are active. That means what you get, you should utilize it. Brother answered me very correctly that church cannot be registered, even no mosque is registered, no temple is registered. Have you seen any neem tree registered? Mango tree registered? Banyan tree registered? No. So, the same rules applies here also. But why do I register? I thought somebody will ask that question. I am registered because I use public money. If you are going to say, brother, I will run a church, but I will never take off a tree, don't register with church. Because you are not utilizing public resource. Because we take off a tree, because we take tithe, because we collect donations, we are accountable to government. So this is the basic understanding. When we are active, we are expected to do something good, right? Active doesn't mean that you can do anything. God created everything and saw whether it is active or not, and then He also made impact analysis. No, God is the first diagnoser, management consultant. You know, He went and checked, verified, reviewed, given the result. What is your status today? God did OD, organization development, and He saw everything is good except so God, God is the one who sees everything, inside and outside, active or not active, and what is the fruits that produce. That is the fourth step of the vision. You cannot say that I am doing this. The fourth step of vision is, that is outcome. Very important. Brother, I am doing all this here. I have 20 people, 20 families. That's not enough, brother. The outcome should speak. If you say, yes, you gave me one, the God of multiplication, He always believes that. He always blesses and multiplies. So He expects the vision to be increased. Jabez prayed, Lord, expand my territory. I'll come to that expansion at the later stage, but Let's go to the next level of vision. How do you look at vision? A vision, we can foresight. What is foresight? What is prophecy? What is the role of prophet? To see the unseen. We are taught theoretically, how? Foretelling and forthtelling. So something not seen, seeing far. I know what is happening there. That is vision. The second thing is, microscope. Not only I know what is there in the far distance or something that is going to happen after years, but I also know, microscope, have a closer look. What is inside? That is also the second level of vision. The third level, aerial view. What is aerial view? From above. Even we can say helicopter view, eagle, anything. So, if you see from up to down, you will know. But, as I said, the last step, the last slide, good things that expected. David also looked aerial view. So be careful, okay? Many times we think, only small guys will make mistakes. What happened to Samson? How many years he was judge? How powerfully he ruled? Whether anybody could stand in front of him? So, if your eyes are going to not vision, you will have some other vision. So, age doesn't matter. Age doesn't give you a qualification. Because at any stage we can fall. Then what keeps me going? What keeps me going? Yes. So the vision has to be managed. The vision management. What vision kuda or management? It has to be managed. You cannot just receive a vision and keep it inside. It has to be managed well. And it should be owned. And it should be oriented. And it should be revisited all the time. Then only the vision will be live. So, who is the head of your church? Jesus? Correct. I'm not denying that. I cannot deny that. When we come into a structure, many times we think the board or the governing body or the trustees or the leader rules in the structure. But if you think in that way, we will be like, business people also have this structure. Profit-making company also has a structure. Go to any company today, very classic structure they have. they teach us today. They all learnt management from Bible, you know. All the management gurus taken the lessons from Bible. Their textbook was Bible. And they made it different color. And they commercialized. And we Christian, we supposed to do that. But we left somewhere. That's why I asked the question whether it is secular or spiritual. The textbook of management is Bible. That's why I come from Christian Institute of Management. We teach Christian management, not the secular management. So the vision that heads the structure, please don't put anything else there. Because the vision is from God. The vision represents God. And if you are not going to look at that, then you will